What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to do an unboxing on these suspension components that I bought for the S2000. I've been meaning to do an unboxing on this. I've just been waiting for a good opportunity to get the cars out of the garage so I can just sit on these fresh Swiss Trax tiles and do an unboxing for you guys. So what I have here are Ohlins coilovers. I was doing research, and in the past I've always skimped out on suspension. I always thought $900 to $1,000 is okay for coilovers. Companies like BC, Function and Form, TN, Buddy Clubs, whatever for Honda that's available. I was gonna buy some Fortunatos. I also wanted some HKS ones, but then price fluctuates, and I was like, you know what? Go and get the best coilovers I can possibly get for the car. That's gonna last a long time. That's gonna be great for daily driving, great for track. That's gonna be comfortable, and I was able to pick up some Ohlins. I went on Rockstar Garage's Instagram. They had a promotion on a group buy for Ohlins, and I picked it up for a really good price. So it saved me a few $100s. Let's open it up. It's nice that it comes in 2 boxes, and the reason why is because you have to assemble them. So in the first box here, you can see we got some washers, some top hats. Here we got some springs. So there we go. That's in the first box. On to the next. We got the big box. Right off the bat, this looks like I don't know, maybe a CD or some badges. Comes with some nice decals, which I love, because I think if I decide to track it, which I really want to, I could put these on the helmets, rep the suspension or whatever the hell. Here is the book. Okay, the manual telling me measurements, and I'm sure everything else that I need. Very nice. So far I'm really impressed. Packaging is phenomenal. Parts look great. We got the boots. Got some arms here, or coilover adjustments. Okay, look at these. Here's the first one. Ohlins coilovers. Gonna unbox this because, oh my god, if you can see the finish of this in person, it's amazing. I don't know if it's powder coated or anodized, but it just looks so high quality. It feels very light. I'm assuming they all have to be. They're like aluminum, so it doesn't feel oily or greasy at all. It's just very nice. So let's go ahead and get to the second ones. I assume this is the front. Yeah, this is the front, because it has the little clamps to where you can bolt down your brake lines. Nice, guys. This is very nice, and I had it all. I've had all types of suspension. Look at that. I'm so excited because I really want to put this on the car, but I just gotta make time for it. Is there anything else in here? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, that's an unboxing. Very excited to get this on the car, honestly. Actually, I want to show you guys the top hats. See how nice this thing looks. Look at that, man. Look at this. I don't even know if it's focusing, honestly. I'm trying to make it focus. I can't really see the camera out here, but this rubber piece right here that holds the top of the springs sit on is very thick and high quality rubber. It just feels so damn nice. It's got spherical, I want to call it spherical joint or ball joint in there. Alright, so that's going to be the end of today's unboxing. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to attempt to assemble these coilovers following the guide in the book. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be really fun building my first set of coilovers, as they say, or assembling it. It should be a nice little learning curve on my part to learn the engineering behind all of it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are excited about the S2000 build that I have going on, and this little AP1 S2000 is going to be really nice by the time I'm done with it. So until then, please hit the like button, comment if you are enjoying the video series so far, and please subscribe if you're a new time viewer. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So just catch me on the next video. I'm going to be assembling these coilovers, and hopefully everything goes swell. So yeah, See you in the next one. Peace.